Good. Hey guys, what's going on? Crackamaniacs, this is Dr. Tirado. I'm here with Adonis, right? And we're going to get him adjusted head to toe. And just Adonis, I think he's actually a TikToker also, and he actually has his own TikTok channel, and he does videos with his family, and their videos go viral. So check out his channel because he's got a couple of viral videos that you can't miss. They're absolutely fabulous. What is your channel?
Yeah, check out Familia Mayol.
Familia Mayol with an L at the end. Right? That's it?
That's it.
Cool, let's get started. All right? So I'm going to start with just doing a little bit of massage on you, and that's it. All right? Just to loosen up some of those muscles. All right. So let me just take your right arm for a second. All right? Right over here. We're going to cross it over here. And this is the boring part because I'm just going to loosen up your muscles. That's all I'm going to do. So, anything hurts, anything bothers you, I want you to just tell me, okay? Anything you're uncomfortable with, just tell me. Okay? I'm just going to try to loosen up some of the muscles first. I think TikTok probably grew a lot faster than the other platforms, like Instagram and then yeah. Good, just relax. Good, gentle stretching here. Good. The TikTok is only a few seconds of a video.
Max is 1 minute.
Oh, it is a minute.
Yeah, that's the max you can do.
That's why people love it because everybody has ADD.
Yeah.
The gun, you're going to feel this. It's not going to hurt, right? Just turn your head to the left a little bit. Just going to try to loosen up the spine a bit. Good. Turn your head to the right, please. Good. Just like that. Good. Touch your shoulders to get rid of some of that roundness inside there. Just let this relax, just like that. And rest it here. Good. Just going to try to keep stretching, opening up. Until I hear something pop. Yeah. There we go. Good. Pretty flexible, right?
Yeah.
There we go. Really flexible. Oh my goodness, what were you, like a jiu-jitsu master in a past life? Holy smokes.
This is the karate, that's
right? Did you do karate? Yeah.
Yeah, I was pretty flexible.
There you go. That's the reason for the bad back. Right? Anybody that does karate for over 5 years is probably going to have a bad back.
Yeah.
Good. Pretty amazing flexibility. There we go. Good. Yeah, let's see where we're going to start. We're going to start with this right shoulder here. Feel a little tap just like that. It's not going to hurt. All right. Just a little bit stronger in the front, I'm sorry. All right, just you're really locked up inside these shoulder regions. And when you get locked up inside there, even if you wanted to bring your shoulder back, it's very tough because you're so locked up inside there, right? It's almost, the muscles are trained to be like that. Good. Good. What I want you to do is I want you to keep turning your head to the left, something like that. Good. Look straight ahead. Good. Excellent. Okay so far?
Okay, good.
Good. Good. Turn your head to the right, nice and easy. Good. I want you to just keep turning to the right, nice and easy. Good. Good. Look straight ahead. Just relax. Good. And you're going to pull your elbow back in a second, right? So pull it back and relax. Let's try the other side. Same way. Hold on. Pull back and relax. Okay. Really jammed up inside there. You take this arm here and just let it drop. Let it just drop. Let it drop. It's going to go out and in and just breathe normally. Good. Let's try the other side. Just let that drop. Nice and easy. Okay, there you go. Relax it. Good. Good. Just relax your arm. Let it drop. Nice and easy. Just kind of basically come like that. Good. Wash your hands. Good. You ever crack your own back?
No.
No? Good. Good. Excellent. Right there. Alright, so what I want you to do it on is I actually turn, we're going to face this wall, put your left leg here, your right leg right over there. I want you to just breathe in very deep. Breathe all the way out, it's going to twist. There you go. Good. Just like that. One more time, breathe in very deep. Twist a little bit. All the way out. Good. Good. Bring this one underneath now. Just like that. We're going to twist a little bit more. Same thing. When you breathe in, then breathe out. Good. More. Right, keep your hands there for a second. So this time I'm going to actually ask you to breathe in real deep, and then when you breathe out, I'm going to lean you back. Okay? That's what we're going to do. So head's going to come down a little bit. Arms like that if you can. I'm going to try to go here and then up here. Let's go low first. So I'm going to breathe in really deep. All the way out. Lean back. Let it go. Nice and easy. Come back up. Get me moving in there?
That was good.
Yeah, I'm going to try to go a little higher. Breathe in again really deep. All the way out. Let it go. A little more. Good. Come back up. Awesome. We got that. Nice. Feel that moving there?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's come and lay face down on the table now. Good. A lot of rotation in that right leg. Good. Just relax your leg a little bit. Just going to loosen you up a little bit with my massager. Right. Okay, what I want you to do is take this leg and just lift it up for a minute, please. Come right back down. Right there. Cool. You're going to feel a little tap inside your back, just like that. It's not going to hurt. All right? Just relax it. Good. Lift up your leg again. Awesome. Good. Let's see this one. Bring this up. And down. Good. Like that. Good. You okay?
Yep.
Good. Good. Raise that leg up. Sweet. Nice. How's that feel?
Good.
Okay. Excellent. Coccyx a little bit. Good. Tight up top. Feel this table drop a little bit. Just like that. It's not going to hurt. Breathing for me really deep. All the way up. That's it, constant. Good. One more time in. All the way out. Let it go. Good. And just relax in here. Good. One more. Breathe in again. Yeah. Relax here. Good. So I just want you to focus on your breathing. Nice and easy on the lean edge of the side. Just like that. A little more. A little more. Good. Come back here. So you hold a lot of stress inside there. Same thing here. And just relax, easy. No, don't turn, just easy. That's it. Here we go, one more. Good, come back here, excellent. Let me lower this a little bit. Bend your knees up. Cool, keep them right there. What are you doing? Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to squeeze your knees together. Good, separate please. Good, one more time, just squeeze. And relax, good strength. And relax your knees, let them drop. Easy, just let it drop, relax. I'm just going to bend your knee a little bit. Good. Let this hip let it just drop down.
I would fall.
No, you won't fall, I got you, good. And the brain's right over here. Just let that relax. That's some tight hip flexors, man. Look at that. Like rocks inside there. Good, come right over here. Pretty flat feet here. Good, just let it go. Good. All I'm going to do is adjust your ankle a little bit and also open up your hip joint. So all I want you to do is I want you to just breathe in for me really deep. Just like that. Good. Same thing here. I'm just going to open the joint up a little bit. Breathe in really deep. Good. Nice. Oh, it's still connected. Don't worry about it. All right? Good. And just relax a bit. Good. I'd like you to slide down if you can, all the way to the end, all the way to the bottom.
Where the magic happens.
Some people say that. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I like the actual. I think all the magic. The whole thing is magical. Good. When you lift up your head a little bit, come right back down. Good. And just relax a bit. The idea is I just want you to relax here, nice and easy, and breathe real easy. And keep your hands right there. Yeah. The more you relax, the better the adjustment. Good. So put a little traction inside here. Good. I want you to breathe in and just kind of let it out. A little bit. Good. In again, real deep. All the way out. Let it go. Good. Just like that. Breathe easy. Nice and easy. Turn your head a little bit. Slide up a little bit on the table. It's almost like a release inside your spine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, how would you describe something like that?
Man, I don't even know how to describe it. That's how good it feels. It's just, it's amazing. It's a relaxation, literally like instant relaxation.
Yeah.
Oh, relief.
Any pain with that at all?
No pain whatsoever.
Good. You got some color on your skin.
Oh, yeah?
He had some color on his skin. You see that? That's pretty crazy.
Yes.
Right? Came in, he was all white, now he's got more color on his head. That's crazy. Awesome stuff. Good, alright, I'm just going to finish up inside here. Just relax a little bit. Nice and easy. Turn a little bit. Good. Just breathe easy. A little bit more. Just let those muscles just kind of go. Breathe normally. Good. Come back here. He's got a little smile there. One more. Nice and easy. That's it. And relax easy. Good. Just going to put a little stretch inside here. Good. A little more. And just let it go. Come back here. Wow. Definitely needed in there.
Yeah.
Awesome. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel by checking out my Crackamaniac t-shirts by clicking on the link below. And also, I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. Check you out next week.